Hi, my name's Joe Stewart, and I'm here to talk to you about how to build a fire and the benefits of fire. So let's get right into it. The first three things that you need to know are the three types of wood to start a fire. The first type here is what I like to call kindling. And the benefits of kindling are, this is what you use to get the fire started. This is your base. This is where the fire takes its first breath. So then once you get your fire started, hopefully you've got some of this nearby. This is called your tinder. And this is what builds that fire up to make it nice and sizable for that big raging fire you want, or just that small little campfire you want for sitting around with the kids and roasting marshmallows or anything like that. Your third type of wood is called fuel. Now fuel, as you can tell, is a lot bigger than any of these first two. The reason why is because fuel is used to maintain that fire. Fuel is what you put on after you have the fire going and you're ready to just sit back and relax and maybe start cooking out. Because when you start putting fuel on, there's no more need for this tinder unless you're trying to build it really big again. So now I'm going to talk about, there are three types of positions that you want to start the fire in. The first would be the log cabin, the second the lean-to, and the third the teepee. Each one has their own significant benefit, but the main key importance is that each one allows a significant amount of oxygen into the fire, at the same time providing enough wood to keep the fire burning. So now that we have all the three building styles together and the three types of wood that we need, let's figure out how to get this fire started. Now you could use matches, you could use a 9-volt battery against steel wool, or you could use good old-fashioned flint and steel. I'm just going to go ahead and use some matches. So here we have a fire started. Now I'm going to talk to you about some benefits of a fire. If you can see, there's some nice smoke rolling out of here. This smoke is a natural mosquito and bug deterrent. So if you're ever out in the wilderness and you're getting eaten alive, go ahead and start a fire and you'll be okay. Now another good thing about a fire is it's good for signaling if you're lost in the woods, say in the Appalachians or in the Rockies. But you'd want to set up multiple fires because one typically is not good enough. Another good thing about fires is if you're out in the wild yet again and you need a drink, but you can only find something from a random stream or anything like that, go ahead and take that water and put it in a pot, boil it over the fire, and then after about 5 minutes that water will be good to drink. So thanks for listening in on how to build a fire and some of the benefits that come with it. I'm Joe Stewart, and I hope you learned something practical today.